So we've made it to the fish factory. It's just in the background behind me. Oh, sorry, the background behind me is all the boats that catch all the anchovies. Yeah, behind me is, in front of me, sorry, is the actual factory. So we're going to go in there and have a look in a little while. Yeah, so basically they bring all the anchovies in from, spend all night out at sea, I guess. They bring the anchovies in, they get salted, washed, and then they get packed into these big drums. So we're going to go have a look at that very shortly.
Một chút kia mùi hương còn vương vấn tựa sương mơ thiên hà đâu ai biết đời vô thường từng ái nhân ngọt ngào đến nay sao lại buông cánh tay người quay mưa vội đổi thay tàn cơn say kiếp duyên thở than ngoài kia thế gian không màng người ra đi trái tim ta về đằng này chỉ là một thoáng mơ mộng chỉ là một giấc phiêu hồng giấc không còn đang mong chờ như là gió hàng ngày trôi
So your traditional style Vietnamese fishing boat with all the lights. I think these are, they can be used for squid boats as well. They hang all the big halogen globes over and all the squid comes up. I'm not sure which ones. I think these are the bigger boats here are the deeper anchovy boats. And I'd say they live on board these big boats. Pretty restricted with access. I don't think I can go on board. I don't even think I'm going to bother asking.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Harry.
My name is.
Huh? Good. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm from Australia. From Tây Úc.
Okay.
Your boat?
No.
Oh. So over there is the shop part where you can buy all your sample fish sauces and all your bits and pieces. Kind of a touristy thing, but we're going to go check it out anyway. In here is the main factory where they do all the fish sauce making. Yeah, so the temperature is quite warm in here. I'd say it's about 30. It's about 30 degrees in here, and the smell. I love the smell personally, but it's not for everybody. It's like a fermented. It's not rotting. It's like a fermented salted fish smell. Yeah, so these are made from type of wood here. So you've got the Nuoc Mam extract of fish. Guessing the coating is all to do with timings, and I think they sit in these big tubs for up to a year or a couple of years. Nuoc Mam extract. Oh, so we've got the date on it here. So the 5th of the 10th, 2021. So it's already been in here for 2 years doing its thing, fermenting. I'm not sure how long when they drain it, but I actually don't even know if these are actually, yeah, surely. So I can see it dripping on the floor here. That's fish sauce. Non noir. I guess it starts from the latest up the front, and then the earliest up the front and the latest batch down the back. What do you reckon?
Let me tell you how they do it. Like 3 layers of anchovy and then 1 layer of salt. So every 3 layers of anchovy, 1 layer of salt until fill this up. It's up to 13 tons of salt and anchovy. And
13 tons in here.
Yes, and then they have a lid up there, the wooden lid. Press them. Then after about 12 months, they got the release the first batch of fish sauce, which is more than 40% of more than 40% the first, and then they extract the first one very thick, very strong fish sauce, and then second, third one lighter until
So I'm sure you've got all that. So they do the layers: fish, salt, 3 layers of fish, layer of salt, layers of fish, layer of salt, 3 layers of fish, another layer of salt, more layers of fish, layers of salt.
And this
Okay.
is from the bơi lời út, like which was not really fit first, but then the salt water make them a salt with a salt water, and they got a bit bigger until they really fit this, and outside they got a bit of glue. And
I've got my own personal wife tour guide.
This also, this is from what they call in English, I forgot it, like maiche.
Bamboo fibres or something?
Yeah.
Palm fibres?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to get very humid and muggy and sweaty in here. Even my camera's fogging up. Hold on. That's better. That's very sweet. Got its umami flavour already.
Umami flavour. Yeah, picture of that. They got he said like the tasting.
Fresh out of the little salt. Fresh out of the barrel. Fresh as it gets before it's even been bottled. Love it. Alright, let's go check out the shop. Gonna go check out check out the store next door, and we'll get a couple of bottles of Nuoc Mam. We might buy old mate here that's taking us for a bit of a tour. Taxi driver as well. Sneaky. So this is where they keep all the salt. Bags and bags of salt. I think it's sea salt. It should be sea salt. Sea salt?
Yeah.
Yeah, sea salt. Muy bien.
Yeah.
Muy bien. Sea salt. Alright. So you can basically get anything in here fish related. There's things dried, there's things salted, there's things raw, fermented. Lots of treats and goodies. Moi tom, moi ớt, yeah, moi ớt tom, cat bit, all your little snacks. Yeah. I don't even know what this is. But yeah, trust me, they're all pretty good. They all taste amazing. Thumbnail.
Anh ơi, cái này để thử đây đúng
Dạ,
không?
đưa thử.
Đây là loại nào ở
Dạ 43 độ đạm.
43 độ đạm. 43
43 what?
43 degree temperature.
Này 40 độ đạm.
40 cái gì 40? Yeah.
Love it.
189 6 small. Còn cái to này là cái any kind of fish sauce in this whole box and chicken nuggets.
So once purchasing your fish sauce, the worker grabs their phone box and absolutely wraps the hell out of it. This is for traveling on an aeroplane. So if you're traveling from an island buying famous fish sauce like we have, to get it onto an aeroplane, they require it to be in a phone box, wrapped up, so there's no leaking, because fish sauce is so potent. If it somehow leaks in luggages, it can just spread throughout the whole cargo department, the rest of everybody else's luggage, and yeah, it'll be a smelly aeroplane for a while. So that's why you can watch this guy absolutely wrap, I don't know, 50 wraps of tape around this box, and it was hard to get into afterwards, but we got there in the end. Only 3 little bottles of fish sauce, so a lot of work for 3 bottles. So I guess if it did break on the plane and it wasn't wrapped up properly, I guess that's the theory to protect everything else, because as soon as fish sauce gets on a bit of clothing or material, it's all over. It stinks for the rest of its life. So yeah, that's us done at the fish sauce factory. We're off to a dog farm, a local dog farm, to see the native Phu Quoc dog breed. So I'm not sure if they're like to buy to eat or if there's just like a petting farm. I have no idea, so we're about to find out. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Just hit 100 subscribers, so thanks everybody. yeah, I want to keep up the work as much as I can and keep some good content coming through. I see you guys.